Hi, welcome to Glide Tech Face and In. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to recover deleted files to your phone internal storage. So if by any chance you deleted a particular video or document or your picture by mistake and you want to recover it back to your phone internal storage, the first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store and look for download files or file manager, any of them. So you just use the search option and just search for it and download it to your device. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to open the particular file you just downloaded. So right here, this is my file and the home page. The next thing you have to do is to click on three lines found at the top left corner. So right here, you just click on the beam option. So these files are permitted to last for 30 days here on this beam. They last for 30 days. So after 30 days, they are being deleted from your phone. The next thing you have to do if you want to recover it back is to click on the circle option. Just click on it and click on the restore option here. So click on restore one file. You can restore more than one file if you want to. So having done that, you can now go back to your gallery and let me go to my so just click on your gallery, click on the album option. So you can see, just go to the particular, you can see I was able to restore this file back from my deleted files. So guys, that is it on how to recover deleted files to your phone internal storage. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Tech Face and In for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.